Hi, this is Sabrina. Today we are going to start our first journey of learning German. So we are going to learn German alphabet today, and at the same time I'm going to teach you guys a few daily greetings. And so first we are going to start with the 30 alphabets. So in German alphabets, there are we can see there are about 26 alphabets, which is the same as in English, and the other four it's very special and are very different from English alphabets. So first we are going to start with the 26 normal one, and I'm going to read them one after another, so you can also try to follow me to speak them out. First ones: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So I'm going to speak again, and then we can remember it better. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And before we learn the next four special one, we are going to learn the first 26 one according to their characteristics. Here I have divided them into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 group, and each of them have their own general rules, the same pronunciation. So for example, the first one, each of them at the end have an R, yeah? So like this one's R, H, K. And the second group, they all have an E at the end, so you just put them together. B, C, D, E, F, G, P, T, B. And the third one, these two are very difficult foreigners because they have to use your throat to pronounce it. And I recommend that when you want to pronounce this two very well, you should try to pronounce them with water. So this one is L, L. This one, R, R, R. And the fourth group, I don't know how special is the rest of them. Okay, I got from here. Cool. So we are also going to repeat them again, although they don't have a general rule here. No, this one is E, J, O, Q, S, U, V, X, Y, Z, Z. And the fifth group, M, N, they are the same like English. M, N. The sixth one is here, the second one here, fourth special one. This one, A with 2 dots. This is A. A. This one, E. E. This one, U. U. This one, for example, we already learned S, and this one Z. We put them together. Is this the pronunciation of this one? S, Z. S, Z. Okay, now I'm going to repeat all 30 alphabets again. Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Here. E, Ö, U, S, Z. So we finished all these 30 alphabets, and I strongly recommend that when you are at home, practice all these 30 alphabets. You can practice them like this in groups. Then you can easily remember the pronunciation. Of course, there is also a sound like the other alphabet sound in Germany. You can also find them online. And the next one, we are going to learn some simple daily conversation words. And here I divided them into 2 parts. The first one is greetings, and the second one is asking names. So greetings, this one, like in English, we have hello and hi. This one is equals to hello and hi. How we pronounce it? Hello, hello. Or you can also say hello. Yeah? And the second one is the same as good morning in English. Usually people use them between 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. So in the morning when you wake up and you go out, and it's within this period of time that you can say to people, Guten Morgen, Guten Morgen. And the third one is Guten Tag, Guten Tag. When you directly translate it, it's good day in English. But usually in Germany they use Guten Tag very often to just like saying hello. Yes, you can use them between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. That's the most daily time. You can, when you meet people, you can just say Guten Tag. And the fourth one is good evening in like in English. So Guten Abend, Guten Abend. Abend means evening. So usually it's between 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. When you meet people in Germany, you can say Guten Abend. And the fifth one is good night. Nacht means night. Gute means good, good night. Gute Nacht, Gute Nacht. But we can notice here there is no N, yeah? Other Guten Morgen, Guten Tag, Guten Abend, they have an N. This is, we will learn them in the future in German grammar. We will know that every noun, like here, each of them are written in capital letter. Every noun is, the first letter is in capital letter. and all of them have a gender, like female, male, and neutral. So Nacht, it's a female word. That's why when we use an adjective, there is no n. But there are many rules for all this. We would learn in the future. I'm just pointing out the difference here. Why probably some people ask why did I write it wrong, or no, it's because of the grammar. And the sixth one, this one is like goodbye in Germany. No, in English. Sorry, change my. This is equals to goodbye. Directly translate, this should be like see you again. Auf Wiedersehen, auf Wiedersehen, auf Wiedersehen, goodbye. Or you can see this one, which is much simple. Choose, choose, also means goodbye. And of course, we can add something here like bis dann or bis gleich and bis später. Change keyboard später. So you can also say these three. What they mean is bis dann means until then. Yeah, we meet until then. Or bis gleich, see you later. Until later. Bis später. Oh, später. Später means later. Gleich is also like later. So bis dann or bis gleich, bis später. They're all like see you later, catch you later in English. Okay, and the next one is asking names. There are two ways to asking names. And the first one is wie heißen Sie? Wie heißt du? The separate one. They're basically the same. The only difference is that the first one is a polite way, and the second one is the normal way. So when you meet someone, usually the first time you meet people, you will be very polite. So you will say, "Wie heißen Sie?" Or when you are at the same age, you think they don't care about this kind of thing, then you can directly say, "Wie heißt du?" And then they can answer, "Ich heiße Sabrina." Heißen here means call. You know? How do you call? Or how can I call you? Yeah. So I call Sabrina, or ich heiße Sabrina, or Sabrina auf Deutsch. Ich heiße Sabrina. And the second one is the same as English. What's your name? Was ist dein Name? Was ist dein Name? My Name ist Sabrina. My name is Sabrina. My Name ist Sabrina. Let's repeat again. Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißt du? Ich heiße Sabrina. Was ist dein Name? What is your name? My Name ist Sabrina. My name is Sabrina. Okay, today we will just finish here. See you next time. Tschüss.